Beats to Business, Spotify's project management to redefine music. Imagine a world in the early 2000s where we literally took hours of time to download, but people still did the same thing because we didn't have any other better option. Music piracy was uncontrolled and the music industry was bleeding profits. Then we encountered
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen, two Swedish entrepreneurs with a bold and innovative idea to create a platform that would make music easily accessible, legal, and affordable. But here the thing is, it was not just an idea, but it was about how they implemented it. With project management as their compass, they turned Spotify from a dream into a music streaming giant that now serves millions daily. This is the story of how project management principles like agility, collaboration, and risk management shaped Spotify's rise to the top. Turning ideas into action. When Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen pitched Spotify, it was not about a vision, it was a detailed project plan. They broke their ambitious goal into actionable phases with clear milestones. Embracing agile project management, they prioritized speed and adaptability, ensuring rapid execution from the start. At the starting phase of time, Spotify's teams used to work on sprints, which is mostly used in the software industry. Sprints are nothing but focusing on one feature at a time. This practice allows constant testing, learning, and adjusting. This is a method that remains at the heart of Spotify's development today. Spotify's first prototype, built in just 4 months thanks to agile practices. The power of teams. Spotify's innovation lies not only in its product but in the way its teams are structured. Each squad, a mini startup within the company, is empowered with the autonomy to tackle their assigned feature. These squads together are called as tribes, aligning their efforts with Spotify's broader vision. Think of it like a music festival. Each squad performs their own task, contributing to the success of the event as a whole. This structure allows creativity to flourish while keeping everyone aligned. This will only be possible with strong project management. Project management and analytics. Ever wonder how Spotify always knows exactly what you want to listen to? It's not magic, it is called data-driven project management. Every playlist, recommendation, and feature is built on insights gathered from user behavior. For example, we receive a weekly Discover playlist based on using machine learning to analyze user listening habits. Project managers also ensure that these insights are used to improve the platform continuously. Since its launch, Discover Weekly has generated over 2.3 billion hours of listening. This is a testimonial to the power of data. Keeping the music playing. Managing a global music streaming platform involves a lot of risks like copyright issues, server outages, and user experience challenges, etc. These are just a few of the obstacles which Spotify faces daily. But Spotify's project managers are experts in risk management, ensuring that when challenges like this arise, they come up with new plans accordingly. For instance, when licensing negotiations with record labels become complex and cannot be handled, then project managers intervene to facilitate the discussions. Likewise, in the event of a server malfunction, they have established emergency protocols to ensure uninterrupted music streaming. This proactive strategy is crucial to Spotify's sustained reliability. Never stop innovating. Innovation is in Spotify's DNA. After every sprint or product launch, teams conduct re-evaluation to identify areas for improvement. This commitment to ongoing enhancement positions Spotify at the forefront of the industry. Spotify's innovation goes beyond internal processes. Hackathons have become a core tool for strengthening their creativity. These events often lead to breakthrough features like collaborative playlists. In fact, the most popular Spotify's Wrapped feature, a holiday favorite, was developed during a hackathon, showing us how powerful innovation can be by using creativity and collaboration.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.